Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Keap, Infusionsoft, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Keap, head to the official website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Next, click on the Continue button. You will receive a confirmation email from Keap. Check your inbox and find the confirmation email. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, you'll be directed back to the Keap sign-in page. Log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you'll be guided through a setup wizard. Fill in your business information as requested. This includes your company name and contact details. Next, add your payment information to activate the trial. Choose the plan that suits your business needs. Once your payment information is entered, click Start Trial. Now, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various features and tools available. Begin by setting up your contacts and automation sequences. Take advantage of the tutorials offered on the dashboard. Explore integrations that can enhance your Keap experience. With everything set up, start using Keap to manage your business effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.